Hey there, welcome to the CarTrigger. Today I'm gonna show you in-depth review of this all-new compact SUV, the new 2019 Hyundai Creta. So the new 2019 Hyundai Creta now comes with the newly designed bifunctional projector headlamps, which looks more beautiful, more attractive than the previous versions of Creta. And inspired from the Hyundai Venue and Hyundai Kona, now the new Creta has the LED DRL and the positioning lamp at the downside, which looks so beautiful. How it looks, have a look. Which looks so perfect from the front. And from this you can tow your car. So this is the stylish looking electronic adjustable and foldable mirror, but this has one disadvantage, that when it hits it may lose inside motor. So in every versions of Hyundai Creta you will get this stylish chromium finish door handle, which looks so attractive. The door opens and closes very wisely. So for opening the fuel cap of the Hyundai Creta, you have to open it manually from the right bottom side of the driver's seat. So this new Creta has the new stylish split LED tail lamps, which looks so beautiful from back. Just take a look how it looks. This is the SX variant of Creta, which has the 1.6 liter petrol engine with VT technology. And now what you looks, this is the new rear skid plate with the steel finish color. Here is the Creta's badging. This is the rear parking camera with sensor, which is located on outside border of the boot. The ground clearance of Creta is very good. It has 190 mm, which is good for touring. The Creta has a smart key, but there is no changes yet on this smart key. You can also open your boot by pressing just one button at the smart key. You can also open the boot by just pressing 2 times the downside button of this boot. Just take a look how softly this boot just opened. And there is a massive 400 liter boot space. There is some toolkit and there is a light which helps you at night. If you open this handle, you will find the tire, the stepney. There is a manual right there, and when you close, this close very softly through. You can also set down this back boot tray by just unplugging this small thread from its holder. Just slowly and softly unplug this holder each side, and you will find how softly and how smoothly this back boot tray has been set down. This back boot tray is so soft, and you can put small items like water bottles. If you fold back seat, you will get up to 800 liter boot space. And this boot space now is so soft and so flat surface, so you will get a large enough space so you can put a bicycle on it easily. And the seat folds very easily and smoothly. To put this seat back on its place, just keep in mind, put the seat belt front of its seat and give a force so this seat will close very easily. There is no automatic system for closing this boot of Creta. You have to manually close this boot. Yeah, but this boot closes so softly. Let's go to inside of this back passenger seat door and let's have a look what does it have from inside. The back passenger seat door handles were so shiny. It has chromium finish. It is so easy to open, so soft to touch. It has much big space to close the door. There is an electronic power window control. The much space at downs to put the bottles. There is a speaker right there. Let's take a look from far to this door. This door looks so beautiful. Let's see the cabin. The cabin is actually so big. It has much legroom and much headroom. You will have no complaint on it. Now let me show you how much does this Creta has good legroom and good headroom. On the middle seat, this Creta has good enough legroom. You will have no complaint on the legroom, also no complaint on this big headroom. On the side, there is a massive legroom and there is also a massive headroom. There is no complaint about this new Creta. There is no fancy looking seat belt on this Creta. It's an ordinary seat belt which Hyundai had before. There is a big armrest with couples of cup holders. You have to just drag it down. I can't show you now because this is fully packed from a polythene. And there is also good enough space on this seat. The door feels so premium to close and also so premium to open. Let's go to front passenger seat door. Let's open it and let's see what does it have from inside. There is a same chromium finish on this handle, same lock touch, same power window control and same space for bottle carrier. But there is one extra thing for closing this door, and this is the strong handle. The front row seats are ventilated seats, and this what you see, it's a fabric seat with orange and black color. Now let's go inside and have a look from inside. For safety, this Creta has two airbags, one for driver and one for co-driver. This is a passenger side AC vent. This Creta has 17.77 cm touchscreen infotainment with two AC vents. There is a buttons, power tone buttons, seat track, media, radio. These buttons you can access it manually, and also you can go inside of this touchscreen for accessing it. I will show you later by turning it on. The dashboard from front looks so beautiful, so attractive, and when you touch this, you will feel so softness on your hand. Now this has two tweeters, which is located on the front row seats, which gives you best audio quality, and this is how the front dashboard looks like. Now let's go inside of this driver's seat with a keyless entry. Inside this door you will get the electric mirror controls, and also you will get the electric center console window control with lock unlock option too. You will get the same space and downside of this seat for a bottle carrier. The scuff plates will have two options. This is a metallic color. You will have a black color options too. On the floor mat you will have a Creta's badging, and there is an ordinary way to open the fuel cap just by pulling it. And here is the fog lamp control. Just by pulling this, you can drag your seat forward and backward. You can also control the seat adjustment. Now let's go inside of this driver's seat. The Creta steering has many consoles. There is options like trip selector, cruise control. You can reset it, cancel it. On the left side you can receive and you can end calls. You also have mode selector. As I said you before, you can drag your seat forward and backward like I am doing now, backward. There is also AC vent for driver side. The steering has stitches. This is the headlight controls with also the indicator controls like ordinary cars have. The front view from this driver's side is very clear and very good to see. Now in this new Creta you will have one new feature, and this is the wireless charging mode. It is a USB port and this is the 12-watt charging port. And this is a 6-speed manual transmission gear with an orange color finishing on the top, which looks so attractive. And this is a small garbage can which is called as the Swatch can, which looks so good in blue and black color. There is good enough bottle carrier circle space. This is a classic handbrake, and this is a sliding armrest, central armrest. Let's open it and see how much space does it have from inside. It has good space that you can put your mobiles and your wallets easily. Let's close it. It is so soft to close. It feels so premium. And this is 17.77 infotainment system, and it is the reading lights with just one touch. You can on it, and there is a 2 lights. You can select the modes: door open, lights on. You can close it manually. There is a sunglass holder too. It opens with just one touch. It's open so smoothly. Close it manually. There is a keyless start. Let's check out the infotainment system. This looks so cool, this Hyundai wallpaper. Confirm it. You can go to this all menu and you can drag it down, slide it down. You can have many options like a phone. You can go to navigations. You can go to the settings. You can access date and time. You can also go inside the display options, set the brightness level set to the default. You have the night mode and the normal mode. The touches were so good. It responds so cool. The blue-black LED clock. Now let me show you how to start the engine. For starting the engine, press 2 times the engine start-stop button. The 3rd time, press the clutch, and finally press and hold the engine start-stop button for the 3rd time. By pressing the clutch, the engine will start. And this is the automatic climate control air conditioner. You can set the speed manually of this air conditioner. You can also adjust the heatness and coolness of inside the cabin. There were many modes like I am showing you on the screen. There is much space on glove box. You can store a user manual easily under this glove box. You can also set your desired cruise control. Once you set the cruise control, the symbol on the speedometer will automatically blink. Now let me show you by opening the front hood. The SX 1.6 petrol engine with VT technology. The front hood of Creta is little heavy. The Creta is rigid structure of SUV. Euro NCAP gave it 4 out of 5 star in crash test. Let me hang it on with this little stick. So this is inline 4-cylinder 1591cc engine, petrol dual VT technology, which gives 122 bhp and 151 Nm of torque. There is much space left. It gives you 15.29 average mileage in kilometers. There is a battery right there. There is a look. Let me close this hood. This hood is actually heavy, and this is rigid structure of 2019 Creta. It is the safest SUV. This is phantom black color roof with shark fin antenna. In top model you also get electric sunroof. So time to end this video. Please subscribe our new YouTube channel, the CarTrigger. Support us by subscribing us. Let me show you the exhaust sound.